Good morning, students. 8th class, 9th class, and 10th class. A basic chapter is light. Very most important. First of all, light. Light is a form of energy. Light can travel straight line propagation. Light can travel straight line propagation. కాంతి ఋతుమార్గంలో ప్రయాణం చేస్తుంది. కాంతి ఋతుమార్గంలో ప్రయాణం చేస్తుంది. సో in the light, according to light, substances can divided in three categories. First one is transparent substances. First one is transparent. First one transparent. Transparent substances. Transparent substances. And second one is translucent. Translucent substances. Translucent substances. And the third one is opaque substances. Opaque substances. Opaque substances. So transparent substances are which substances light can allow through them. That substances is called transparent substances. Like example, air, glass, and water, etc. So translucent substances are which substances light can allow partially through them. Partially through them is called translucent substances. So example, oily paper. Oily paper. Oily paper. అంటే నూనె కాగితం అన్నమాట. And opaque substances. Opaque substances are which substances does not allow light through them. And which substances light does not allow through them is called opaque substances. Opaque substances like stone, human body, so etc. Stone, human body, wood, and wall, trees. So these are informed shadows. So the main important of reflection of light. Very most important. We can see our image daily in our home. We can stand in front of plain mirror. We can see our image in plain mirror. So this is the reason. What is the reason behind the seeing of images every person? So reflection of light. The return of light into the same medium after striking a surface is called reflection. Rebouncing of light into the same medium. Light అనేది ఏమవుతుందంటే ఉదాహరణ సపోజ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్. And this one is called normal. And this one is called plane mirror. Samatala darpana antunnam. Plane mirror. Light can instant a light ray instant on the plane mirror. Some angle with normal. So this ray is called instant ray. Instant ray. అంటే పక్కన కింద ఉంటాం. Instant ray lies on the point of plane mirror. So the angle between instant ray and normal is called angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Light incident on plane mirror and will get reflected into the same medium. Reflected to the same medium. This one is called reflected ray. Reflected ray. Reflected ray. This one is called reflected ray. Incident అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఏంటంటే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. The angle between normal and reflected ray, normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. The return of light into the same medium after striking a surface is called reflection. Reflection are in two types. First one is regular reflection. Regular reflection. Regular reflection. And the second one is diffused or irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. Regular reflection occurred high polished or smooth plane mirrors. So regular reflection take place only on highly polished smooth surfaces. Regular reflection takes place only on highly polished smooth surfaces. బాగా నునుపు చేయబడినటువంటి తలాలపైన లైట్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ అయినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఏమంటే రెగ్యులర్ గా రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో లైట్ regular reflection take place only on highly polished smooth surfaces. Highly polished smooth surfaces so can occur regular reflection. And irregular reflection take place only rough surfaces. Only rough surfaces. Rough surfaces. Reflection of light on rough surfaces is called irregular reflection. So this is not so regular reflection. The image can be clearly. Irregular reflection, the image cannot see clearly. Irregular reflection take place only on rough surfaces. Rough surfaces. So laws of reflection: the incident ray, the reflected ray, and normal and the point of incidence lie on the same plane. So incident ray and normal. Incident ray, normal, reflected ray, point of incidence lie on the same plane. Lie on the same plane. Incident ray, normal, reflected ray, and point of incidence. So lie on the same plane. This is the first law of reflection. So the incident ray, reflected ray, the normal, and the point of incident lie on the same plane. This is the first law of reflection. And the second law of reflection is angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection, and angle of reflection is always equal to angle of incidence. Angle R equal to angle I. Angle I. So angle of reflection is divided by angle R is always equal to the angle of incidence. Very most important. Angle I equal to angle R, or angle R equal to angle I. So this is the second law of reflection. And for normal incidence, angle I equal to 0 and R equal to 0. I equal to 0 and R equal to 0. Angle of incidence is equal to 0. Angle of reflection is also 0. The ray is reflected back along the normal. అంటే ఒక 0 యాంగిల్ తో మనం ఇన్సిడెంట్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ అంతే యాంగిల్ తో అది గెట్ బ్యాక్ అంటే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అంతే యాంగిల్ తో రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ is equal to 0 and also angle of reflection is also 0. So this is the normal. So and image very most important in light. So the point of intersection of incident rays is called an object, and the point of intersection of the corresponding reflected rays is called its image. Image formed by plane mirror. Image formed by a plane mirror. So this one is plane mirror, and this is the object O object. Some rays coming from O object incident on plane mirror and get reflected, and another ray can take coming from object. This ray incident on plane mirror, and this is the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray. This is the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray. So we can back extend of incident ray. So where these incident rays meet at the point of intersection is called image of the object O object, and O dash is image. So the point of intersection of incident rays, the point of intersection of incident rays is called an object, and the point of intersection of the corresponding reflected rays is called its image. అంటే ఇన్సిడెంట్ రేస్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రేస్, ఇన్సిడెంట్ రేస్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రేస్, ఈ రెండు రేస్ ని మనం బ్యాక్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎక్కడైతే ఈ రెండు పాయింట్స్ అవుతాయో ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతాయో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్. Images are of two types. First one is virtual image and real image. Plane mirror always can form virtual image. We can see our image in the plane mirror. The image is always erect. Image formed by a plane mirror. The characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror is, first one is the size of object and the size of image is are equal. First point అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క సైజు ఇమేజ్ యొక్క సైజు ఒకే రకంగా ఉంటుంది. The object distance, so the distance between object and plane mirror is called object distance. The distance between image and plane mirror is called image distance. So in plane mirror, object distance and image distance is always equal. Object distance, image distance ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఒకే రకంగా ఉంటుంది. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ నుంచి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉండే డిస్టెన్స్, ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ నుంచి ఇమేజ్ ఉండే డిస్టెన్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఒకే రకంగా ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్, ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క సైజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుందో ఇమేజ్ యొక్క సైజ్ కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్ పాయింట్. థర్డ్ పాయింట్ lateral inversion ఆఫ్ ఇమేజ్. అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇన్వర్స్ అవుతుంది. మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చూసినప్పుడు మన యొక్క లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ లా కనిపిస్తుంది, రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ లా కనిపిస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ lateral inversion ఆఫ్ ఇమేజ్. lateral inversion ఆఫ్ ఇమేజ్. Images are of two types. First one is virtual image, second one is real image. Virtual image, the image which is not caught on the screen, is called virtual image. So virtual image is always erect and upright. అంటే ఏ ఇమేజ్ అయితే మనం తెర మీద కట్టలేమో without screen, అంటే స్క్రీన్ అవసరం లేదు. So we can see our image in plane mirror. There is no need of any screen. అంటే తెర అవసరం లేదు. మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు మన ఇమేజ్ ని డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం అద్దంలో చూసుకుంటాం కాబట్టి పక్కన స్క్రీన్ అవసరం లేదు. కాబట్టి ఇమేజ్ ఫార్మ్డ్ బై ఎ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఈజ్ virtual image. Virtual image can formed only in mirror. Virtual image is always erect. ఎప్పుడు కూడా నిటారుగా ఉంటుంది. Virtual images are always erect and upright. అంటే నిటారుగా ఉంటుంది. మన అద్దంలో పడినప్పుడు మనం ఎరెక్ట్ గా ఉంటాం, అద్దంలో ఏర్పడిన ఇమేజ్ కూడా ఎరెక్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇన్వర్ట్ అవ్వాలన్నమాట. సో రియల్ ఇమేజ్ అనగానే నిజ ప్రతిబింబం అంటాం. వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ అంటే మిథ్యా ప్రతిబింబం, రియల్ ఇమేజ్ అనగానే నిజ ప్రతిబింబం. ద ఇమేజ్ కెన్ బి కాట్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్. అంటే దీస్ ఇమేజ్ కెన్ బి ఫార్మ్డ్ నీడ్ స్క్రీన్. So the image which is caught on the screen is known as real image. అంటే ఏ ఇమేజ్ అయితే మనం స్క్రీన్ మీద పట్టగలుగుతున్నామో అలాంటి దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే రియల్ ఇమేజ్ అంటాం. We can see movie in theater. The real image can formed on the screen. So real image are always invert. Real image is always invert. తలకిందులుగా ఏర్పడుతుంది. Our eye lens can form object's image is real image. Real images are always invert. తలకిందులుగా ఉంటాయి. So this is the very most important topic to images, real images and virtual images and real images. So another topic is curved mirrors. Curved mirrors have two types. First one is concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. Image formed by a concave mirror, image formed by a convex mirrors.